by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. When I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. When I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you wanna do. I can't just wait any longer. Be mine. It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. If I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Oh, oh, go, oh, go, oh, 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 go, oh, 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 go, oh, 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 oh. All right, come on, baby, tell me one more time.
About that, eh? Bit of Tom Jones for a Tuesday morning. It's not unusual. Why it ain't unusual is when Williams has a rant. Yes, everyone gets involved, don't they? Ross Sant got on to me. She said, I don't think it was negative about the programme. And it was good, honest, hard-working Salfordians. It was just about a nasty criminal element. To say people are afraid to speak out doesn't say that they're bad. I think we just have to accept that our Salford is long gone. In our Salford, we didn't carry weapons, we didn't hurt people or take their hard-earned cash to buy drugs. No, because we would have had a good hiding off our parents. The programme, it's not about gangsters. Real gangsters are Al Capone and Babyface Nelson. They were gangsters. These are little ones who think the world's owes them a living. Something, what, they don't have to take. The police are ineffective and are fighting a losing battle. The problem is very easy to solve. Legalise drugs and there's no need for a gangs of thugs. She said she admires the sounds of Salford's love of Salford, but this Salford is no longer the Salford that she grew up in. She's proud of her roots and she's proud of her upbringing and she's proud of her education and everything that was once great. Well, Santa, so am I. We're gonna have to do a show again soon. Do you know what I mean, mate? And we can have a proper good chat about all this, can't we? Do you know what I mean? It's like you say, when you look at old photos of kids playing in the streets, 4 kids in a bed, no inside loo, no central heating, you could leave your door open for days and not be afraid. Now, what do the police tell you to do? Yes, they tell you to lock your doors all the time, don't they? Which they do. Social cleansing in Salford now is a massive, massive problem. It's like the original Salford people, they just try to shove you out, and this council, it's just not helping. It really ain't helping. Do you know what I mean? It really is not helping. And all you have to do is look at what they're doing. Do you know what I mean? All these new developments, they're sort of like giving it away. And I'm sure they're giving it away with underhand dealings. I don't know. I can't prove it, but I'm sure they are. Convinced of it. On that note, I'm going to go to a song, I think.
Until sadly I was never happy. I needed so much more. Rain clouds, oh, they used to chase me. Down they would fall. Join my only cinnamon, you're my world. You take the cherry, there is something hate you must show me from what you are made. Sugar and spice, and all things nice. Sent to me from heaven, only cinnamon, you're my world. You are my world. Your eyes are gazing back from every little piece of glass. You used to smile from every flame. Sally cinnamon, you are my world. Then I put the letter back in the place where it was found, in the pocket of the jacket on a train in town. Sent to her from heaven, only cinnamon, you're her world.
That was the Stone Roses with Sally Cinnamon. Does it get much better than that? Oh, yes, it does. Why does it? Well, because after last night's show, Panorama Parkinson Green sent me a poem, and I'm going to read it out because I think it's great. Far beyond the terraced houses, far beyond the dirty streets, far beyond the closed down buildings, here the heart of Salford beats. Don't believe the lies they tell you in the press and on TV. There's a pride that fills our city of Salford, from Worsley to Langwithee. We'll no longer hide in the shadow, we'll emerge into the light. Manchester will never swallow Salford's glory burning bright. Home of theatre, art and music, culture shines behind the grey. Soon the new generation will replace the old decay. Next time you come to Salford, don't just look to criticise. Where once was an urban wasteland, from the ashes, now we rise. Salford people stand defiant. Do not put our city down. We'll stand strong and build our future, and bring respect to our hometown.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. If I get drunk, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. And if I heaver, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's heavering to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm walking, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, oh, I know I'm be the man who's lonely without you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time when I'm with you. When I go out, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And when I come home, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home with you. I'm gonna be the man who's coming home with you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
That was them Scottish twins, the ones who wear the glasses. Yes, the Proclaimers with 500 miles. Right, this week's National Book Week. So what we're going to do here at the Sounds of Salford, Williams is going to send you his last book. Yes, Salford Born and Bred. It's about a story of a Salford scally who makes his way through life. If you've not read him, hope you'd enjoy it anyway. So if you want the book, all you have to do is email me on my Facebook page, Simon Williams, and I'll tell you what, send me your email address, and I'll send you the book. How good does that get? Yes, not bad at all, does it? You can have a free one on the Sounds of Salford. On that note, I think we'll go to another song, shall
I'm gonna teach you how to sing.